Presenting the Hohem iSteady X Gimbal Stabilizer. This lightweight gimbal is equipped with enhanced DC brushless motors and an iSteady 3.0 anti-shake algorithm that eliminates shakes and produces smooth footage. The product has a dimension of 17.9 into 7.9 into 3.9 centimeters with a weight of 259 grams. The 3-axis stabilizer features 3 motors like pan, roll and tilt that can provide high-quality photos and videos. It comes with a non-orthogonal axis design that captures more pictures and makes use of ultra-wide lens smartphones. The moment mode comes with 7 one-tap templates like Inception, Time-Lapse, Dolly Zoom and Panoramas. The iSteady 3.0 automatic upside-down detection and auto-rotation technology will rotate the phone 270 degrees to 180 degrees automatically and helps to capture even extreme low-angle shots. The gimbal helps to shoot a smooth time-lapse picture or a video using Smart Motion Time-Lapse. It shoots Inception video automatically using Auto Inception mode. This gimbal switches horizontal from vertical by pressing the power button once. Using the selfie stick mode, a gimbal works as a selfie stick even at low power. The built-in 2000 mAh battery offers working time up to 8 hours. This gimbal supports iPhone and Android phones with a max payload of 280 grams weight, the thickness of 11 mm and width of 58 mm to 89 mm. The gimbal stabilizer has a new app named Hohem Gimbal for a personalized parameter setting with one click for firmware upgrade and 6-side online calibration. The box includes Hohem iSteady X, mini tripod, storage pouch, power cable and wrist strap. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.